Today we're doing a review on these headphones. These are the Vankyo-C751 headphones, and today we're going to be doing a review on them. So, I already opened this box because I use them every day for like 3 months. That's how long I've been using them for. And out of their box, it comes in a little cardboard box like this that just slides together like this. Pretty satisfying. But the headphones themselves come in a little carrying case here with Vankyo on it. I'm pretty sure that's how it's pronounced, or Vankyo. But they come in this carrying case, and then out in this carrying case there's headphones themselves, and then a couple of cords. We have a connector to connect the headphones to any speaker or your PC, and then we have the charger, which is Type-C connector for the headphones, then a USB to connect to your USB on your PC or any wall plug that has a USB on it. And the other thing is, comes with one of these airplane headphone jack adapters, whatever. So it just plugs into the 2 prongs on the airplane, and then you plug your cord into that, and then this end into your headphones. So, and then the headphones, they're compact, they fit in this case, and the noise canceling and Bluetooth. And they have up to 30 hours of battery life on them. And they're a pretty good design, like flexible, and then the ear cuffs, is that what they're called, that go around your ears, rotate slightly, so they can adjust to like your ears or whatever, like they move like that. But the build is solid. The material for the ear cuffs is really nice. And let's move over to the desk so we can get a more closer look at them. Now with a closer view at it, on the side, we have 4 buttons for our Bluetooth to connect it to your device, power, rewind and fast forward button, or whichever one these are, and a pause and play button. So that's what's on the side here. When you put on your headphones, they'll be like, depends what side you put them on. They can be in front of you, on the front side of the headphones, or the back side. There's really no way of telling, or there is no way of the front side or the back side. And on the bottom, we have our USB Type-C charger bot that plugs right into there. Get the plug in. Plugs into there with the USB on the back to plug into your wall charger or your computer. And then on this side here, we have our spot to connect our cable that comes in the box, and then we can connect this to speakers or your phone if it has a headphone jack on it. If not, you can just connect with Bluetooth. Okay, so another great thing about these headphones is if you can't wear them all the time, or you want to listen to songs but you can't have them plugged in, and you don't want your speaker to be blasting it out really loud, or I guess you could just turn it down. Another great thing about it is if you have your speaker, doesn't matter if it's plugged in or on Bluetooth, if you have it maxed out, the max volume maxed out all the way, you can hear the music like clearly through. Without your headphones on, you can still hear it really clear. You can use that if you're not by your computer, but you have someone on the call with you, and it's not that loud, so not everyone else in your house can hear you, and it's just great for other things too. The sound quality of these things are absolutely insane. So sometimes when I go to sleep, I'll turn them on and listen to some white noise, and with the noise canceling and the sound quality, it feels like whatever you're like listening to, if it's white noise or any video, it feels like it's happening like right in front of you, or whatever it is on the headphones. So that's what I like about these headphones, as in noise canceling and video quality. Guys, that's the end of the video. Today was a little bit of a short one, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe, and goodbye.